Welcome back. In the first part of this video, we have compared the digital marketing with the traditional marketing on the basis of wide reach, niche marketing, and the cost effectiveness. Now, let us proceed further. The next point of difference is measurement and tracking. In the digital marketing, you can measure and track your marketing efforts with 100% accuracy. Let me give you an example. Suppose in the last week, you have advertised on television, newspaper, and radio. At the end of the week, there are 100 customers who approach to you for buying a product or services. Now, can you tell me how many came from television after watching your ad, how many came from newspaper after reading your ad, and how many came from radio after listening to your ad? It's nearly impossible in case of traditional marketing to track it. However, in case of digital marketing, there are such tools and platforms. By using them, we can exactly measure and track from where our customer is coming from. Moreover, we can also measure the return on investment in these cases. Accordingly, you can take the decision to continue or discontinue with a particular ad platform in case of digital marketing. However, you can't do it in traditional marketing. Therefore, digital marketing has an edge over traditional marketing. There are many tools available in the market such as Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, Keyword Planner, with the help of which we can exactly measure and track the efforts of our marketing activities. Now let us proceed further. The next point of difference is digital marketing generates potential leads. In marketing, the lead generation means the initiation of customers' interest or inquiry into the product or business. This process of lead generation in digital marketing is very quick and fast, as the customer can connect to your business in the real-time basis. However, this process is very slow in case of traditional marketing. There are many platforms available in the digital marketing which can help you to create the lead in a very efficient and quick manner. These platforms are landing pages, sign-up form, call or miss call option, or the call to action. Let us talk about them briefly. What is a landing page? Landing page is a page of your website on which a customer lands after clicking on your advertisement. This page may be a lead form, a page of your website, or a product page. Let me show you. You can see in the Google results there is an advertisement from GoDaddy.com. The moment I click on it, it leads me to one page of the website. This page is the landing page of GoDaddy.com with respect to this particular advertisement. Similarly, sign-up forms are those forms where a user may supply the information to the businesses like his name, his mail ID, his mobile number, or any other related information if he is interested to do so. Let us see. On this website, I am interested to subscribe for free trial. Once I click on Start Free Trial Now, there is a sign-up form on the next page, and they are asking from me my full name and email. Once I will fill this form, a lead is generated for a company. A call to action, popularly known as CTA, is an image or a line of text which usually appears on the advertisement, and it prompts the customer to take the action. You must have seen that on various advertisements, there are buttons like subscribe now, call now, learn more, or visit our website. In case of mobile advertisement, call now is the very popular form of CTA. Let us look at another point of difference, that is performance oriented. In case of digital marketing, we can measure the return on investment across all the platforms of advertising. However, this is very difficult in case of traditional marketing. Look at this example. We are running online marketing campaign for our product X. Our advertising budget of ₹100 is allocated across Google AdWords, Facebook, and email marketing. After a week's time, suppose 500 customers landed on our website, and out of these 500, 50 customers were finally converted. Means they purchased something from our website. Our total sale during the last week was 5,000. In this case, I can clearly measure how much sale is happening from each platform of advertising, and I can also calculate the return on investment. Moreover, if I notice that email marketing is not performing well, then I can take the decision either to discontinue with it or to reduce the budget on it to increase the performance of rest of the channels. Therefore, digital marketing is performance oriented and helps us to optimally allocate the budget. Now, we will discuss our next point, that is real-time results. Suppose you are the owner of a website and you want to see it in the real time that how many visitors are there on your website, from which country they are, and what are their interests. Yes, it is possible in case of digital marketing. You can see all the details of your visitor who are presently on your website. This is the beauty of digital marketing. The tool like Google Analytics is very useful in this regard. You can see that in my Google Analytics demo account, at present 23 visitors are there on my website, and this data is changing very frequently in the real time. I can see from which device the traffic is coming and so many other details. We will talk about this tool in detail in the days to come. Now the basic question is how real-time results will help a digital marketer. Let me give you an example. Suppose on a given day you have noticed that there is a high traffic on a given product page and you want to cache it. Now in this case, you can design an online offer and show it to the customer on a real-time basis. It will increase the chances of conversion of the visitors into the final customers. Therefore, the tracking of real-time results will help you to take an appropriate action at the right point of time. But these options are not available in traditional marketing. So with this, we have done with the second part of the video. The remaining points will be covered in the next video. Thank you.